So, hello my dear student, hope you all are good. So, today I am going to start. The name is electromagnetic induction. ठीक है बेटा? तो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन में तो क्या है यहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स. अरे बोल सकते कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. क्या बेटा टॉपिक है यहाँ पे? मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स. Magnetic flux is denoted by phi. Okay. Now see this one. This one is surface area. A is the surface area and n vector is the unit vector, and A vector is the surface area. What is this? This is the surface area, and this one is a magnetic field. Magnetic field. Here the angle between theta is the angle here. Theta is the angle between n vector and v vector. Yes or no? Yes. So see here, flux phi equal to क्या था? b vector into a vector with unit vector. Yes or no? When we write like this, b vector into n vector into a vector. Yes or no? Now see, if you are going to find out the component of this b vector, it will be b sin theta, and this one will be b cos theta. Okay, it will be b cos theta. Yes or no? Now consider this one bn equal to b cos theta. Yes or no? So now the angle between b vector and n vector is what here? Theta. So we have to take the component of b vector is bn cos theta, b cos theta. So b vector dot n vector equal to b cos theta into a vector. You can write like this, to a vector. So the flux equal to क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? phi equal to b cos theta into a. So directly you can write here b a cos theta. This one is a flux. Understood? ठीक है. फ्लक्स इक्वल टू क्या आ गया? बी कॉस थीटा, बी ए कॉस थीटा. ठीक है ना? यस और नो? सो द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हियर इज दैट व्हाट इज द unit of magnetic flux. The most important note point here is that you can write here unit of the flux is now see not the unit of flux is Weber, and CGS unit is Maxwell, that is called mx. समझ हमारी बात है? अरे बोलो जी.
Yes sir.
Okay, right. See here 1 Weber equal to 1 Tesla. Yes or no?
Yes.
1 Tesla in meter square. Clear? And 1 Weber, when Weber equal to 10 to the power 8 Maxwell. ये मैक्सवेल ऑस्ट्रेलिया का मत समझ लेना. ठीक है ना? समझ में आ गया? और ये जो मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स है बेटा, मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स इज स्केलर क्वांटिटी. विच क्वांटिटी इज दिस? स्केलर क्वांटिटी. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, dimension of the flux is डाउट है तो बोल सकते हो, ठीक है ना? ओके राइट. नाउ सी एम एल स्क्वायर टी इनवर्स ए इनवर्स 1, ठीक है. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, द मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स मे बी पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और जीरो. फ्लक्स may be positive, negative or zero. Yes or no? And for n number of turns, remember one point here, or you can also write down here, not here. See, now we can write here for n number of turns. यहाँ लिख देता हूँ मैं. For n number of turns, phi equal to क्या बेटा, n b a cos theta. Understood?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आई बात? Yes. Now the application of magnetic flux. See, application of application of magnetic flux. Suppose this one is a rectangular coil. Here is the magnetic field. Here is that unit vector. Okay. Here is that unit vector. The surface area here is this one. This one is a magnetic field. ठीक है. तो देखो बेटा यहाँ पे इस कंडीशन में देखो, यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है आपको? तो यहाँ पे बी वेक्टर जो है ना, दिस बी वेक्टर इज पैरेलल टू क्या है बोलो? सरफेस एरिया है. यस और नो? बट बी वेक्टर इज perpendicular to what? Unit vector. Yes or no? But B vector is perpendicular to unit vector. If the B vector is perpendicular to unit vector, it means theta equal to 90 degree. If theta is 90 degree, the cos 90 equal to what beta? Tell me. 0. Therefore, flux equal to what? Therefore, flux equal to? Yes, therefore flux equal to 0. Clear? Yes. First point. Now see the second point here is, suppose this one is a surface area here. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this one is a unit vector, unit normal vector. If the magnetic field B, now this magnetic field here, magnetic field here, B vector is perpendicular to surface area, but B vector is parallel to unit vector. So B vector is parallel to unit vector, it means theta equal to 0 degree, and theta equal to 0 degree, so cos 0 equal to 1. Therefore, flux equal to what here? Only BA. Clear? Yes. See the third point here. See the third point. Suppose this one is a surface area. Here is that unit vector, and the magnetic field is opposite to that of unit vector. This one is a surface area here. Here is that unit vector, and the magnetic field is opposite to that of what? Or anti-parallel to that of what? Unit vector. If the magnetic field is magnetic field is opposite to that of what? Magnetic field क्या है यहाँ पे? Opposite है किसके बेटा?
Unit vector.
Yes, opposite to unit vector. Which means what? Anti-parallel है वो. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो अगर anti-parallel रहा तो theta equal to क्या हो जाएगा? Tell me.
180 degrees.
180 degrees. And cos 180 degree, tell me.
-1.
-1. If there is cos 180 is -1, therefore flux equal to phi equal to the minus
BA.
BA. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, the question is a rectangular coil of area कितना दिया बेटा बोलो? A rectangular coil दिया मतलब क्या हुआ? A means what? See the solution here. A rectangular coil बोल रहा तो n equal to क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? First area is how much here? Tell me. 0.06 0.06 meter square. And what is the magnetic field here? Tell me. 0.3 Tesla. What is the first question is? Here is that plane. Plane means what? Surface area. First one is क्या बोला बेटा यहाँ पे? Plane. Plane in sense surface area. Plane normal to the field. Normal to the field. Normal in sense perpendicular to magnetic field. Now see boys, this one is a rectangular coil. You can draw like this. Okay, this one is a rectangular coil. Magnetic field is perpendicular. Suppose this one is here is that surface area and perpendicular. This one is a magnetic field. If this one is a magnetic field, it means unit vector is like this. It means unit vector is like this. Here in this diagram, magnetic field is parallel to unit vector. Magnetic field is parallel to unit vector in sense theta equal to 0 degree. If the theta equal to 0 degree बेटा, therefore क्या होता? Flux equal to theta equal to 0 degree. It means cos 0 degree equal to 1. Therefore flux equal to क्या होता? Formula is NBA cos 0 degree. See here, N value is 1 here, B value is what here? 0.3 and A value is 0.06. Cos 0 is 1. Finally the answer is 0.018 Weber. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the second point here is? Second point here is that the question is plane. What they are saying? Plane inclined to 30 degree with field. Plane inclined 30 degree with field. Okay. See, suppose this one is a rectangular coil. Okay. Rectangular coil. Okay, right. Rectangular coil. What they are saying? Plane means what? Area. Inclined 30 degree with field. So see here, this one is in a surface area. A inclined with how much? This magnetic field. Okay. This one is a 30 degree, beta. This one. So what is the angle between B and unit vector? Here is the 30 degree. So it will be what here? It will be 60 degree. Correct. बहुत अच्छा. 60 degree. So here theta here is that to 60 to cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Right?
Yes.
Yes. So now we can find out phi equal to NBA cos 60 degree, n value is 1, b value is 0.3, a value is 0.06 into 1 by 2. When you will calculate this one, 6 3s are 18, divide 2, so it will be here is that 0.009 Weber. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this one is a flux. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The last point is see. It's very important. It's very easy, beta. See. Third point is that plane parallel to the field. What they are saying? Plane means what? Area vector parallel to magnetic field. If area vector parallel to magnetic field, see, plane area vector parallel to magnetic field. Area vector parallel to magnetic field. Now see the rectangular coil is like this. Okay, right. This one is a area vector here. Magnetic field is parallel. So beta now see what is the angle between unit vector and B? 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Here this one perpendicular to this one. So theta equal to 90 degree. Cos 90 is what here?
0.
Yes, correct. Cos 90 is
0.
cos 90 is 0. Therefore flux equal to बटा क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what we have studied today? Magnetic flux. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Inshallah, the next day I will explain another topic. Okay? Thank you so much.